Hello, my lovelies. Hope you guys are doing good. This is a wooden board that I'll be working with. I guess it's called MDF, but I'm not quite sure. I got this one from Itsy Bitsy Craft Store. I prepared this board with 2 coats of gesso. This is a decoupage napkin. I've already separated the 2 plain layers from the back. Fuzzy cut whatever print you need with the help of a wet paintbrush, or simply cut it with a pair of scissors. I've taken another napkin and I've cut about 3 cupcakes from here. I've cut some more extra flowers which I will stick separately on a cardboard. Alrighty, once you're happy with the placement, we will glue it down with the help of Mod Podge. Give a very thin coat of Mod Podge. Carefully place the decoupage paper. Once it's thoroughly dried, give a coat of Mod Podge. Make sure you're gentle with this or you'll strip off the paper. This is thoroughly dried now. I used the same process with those extra flowers and cupcakes and stuck it on a cardboard. I initially stuck those cupcakes on a card paper, so I stuck it on a cardboard for extra thickness. Cut it out and ink the edges with distress ink. I'm using Black Suit by Tim Holtz. Giving a very light coat of acrylic pink, so to bring the whole background together. Oh yes, I said a light coat, but I went a little overboard with this paint. I later had to wipe it off with a damp cloth. I'm dabbing the same paint on the edges. I'm using the watercolor technique, using a lot of water to blend the paint. There you go. Much better. What say you? I'm mixing a dash of golden yellow with a little white. If you noticed, I used a lot of water to blend the colors on the board. This just gives a nice light faded look, so the other elements stand out. I'm dry brushing gesso on the flowers. This frame chipboard is by Little Birdie. I covered it with white paint. Let's add a little more texture to our background. I'm using Argyle stencil and it's by Craft Angles. This is homemade texture paste. You can look up for the recipe online. My texture paste is slightly on a drier side. However, it works well with this kind of projects. This is the focal point of my project, my 3 cupcakes. Sticking cardboard on the picture and the other elements gives it some dimension instead of having them flat on the project. You see, I'm adding foam tape wherever necessary, and make sure you glue it down so the elements don't fall off. Inking the edges of the flowers with the Stress Ink Fired Brick. It's by Tim Holmes. I forgot to ink the ones that are already stuck, but no worries, this should work. I'm cupping the topmost layer of the flowers. It just makes it look a little bit natural. I got this chipboard on Amazon. I'll try to add the link in the description. These color mists are by Craft Angles. I've used Moroccan Spice and Trendy Teal. They are not highly pigmented as you see, but does the job. If you're not quite sure about the arrangement, I would suggest you stick it with a craft glue or any other glue which will help you to move the elements around. As glue gun will permanently stick it, and if you try to pull it out, it might strip the top layer of your board. I'm adding a handwritten sentiment. You can buy those ready ones as well. They come in sticker form. You can buy them in one of those online stores. Finally, to seal the entire project, I gave 2 coats of decor varnish by Little Birdie. I use 2 kinds of varnish. One is gloss and the other is matte. The gloss I applied on the elements, and the background I coated with the matte varnish. I thought a butterfly would complete the look of this board. This one is a paper made. I bought it from the local store nearby. If you enjoyed my video, then smash the like button.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button. Goodbye. Bye bye.